Viburnum carlesii, Fragrant Viburnum, or it's also known as Koreanspice Viburnum. It's May Day here in New Haven, Connecticut, and if there is a plant to put next to the maypole, where the wee ones weave in and out with their ribbons, this would be the one to plant. The aroma of the fragrant viburnum is a serious presence in the landscape. You don't have to actually put your nose in this flower to pick up its fragrance. You can smell it from many feet around. The buds in spring are a deep red. As the flowers emerge, they're pink, and then they change to white over time. The flowers only last about 10 days or 2 weeks, but they are a knockout in the garden. They make a good cut flower. They don't last that long in the vase, but if you have a special event during early May, whether it's a Derby Day party or a May Day event, taking some flowers for the vase is a great idea. Bring it into the house. This particular variety is a named cultivar called Aurora. The straight species, Viburnum carlesii, gets about 8 to 10 feet tall, but Aurora stays a nice, well-behaved 6 feet tall and perhaps 5 to 6 feet wide. It also has reliably good fall color. The straight species turns a dull red. Sometimes you might get some variability. There might be some brighter reds in there. But this plant has a really nice, vibrant red fall color in November. This viburnum should be planted in full sun for best flowering. Also well drained, but average garden soil is recommended. They don't like to sit in water for extended periods of time. There is a viburnum leaf beetle that affects all viburnums. We don't seem to have this problem here, and especially with this plant. There are some other pest problems. There's a rust that affects viburnums, and aphids might affect a viburnum. But we have found here that there seems to be enough presence of the beneficial insects to keep most of the pests like aphids at a minimum. We don't see too much predation on this plant. Fragrant Viburnum or Koreanspice Viburnum has a wonderful fuzzy leaf. It's somewhat corrugated on the surface. It's kind of an interesting effect. The mid-green leaves seem to be a nice backdrop for many of the summer flowering plants. This plant is native to Japan and Korea, and was named for W.R. Charles, a botanist and plant collector. The viburnum, the genus name, is a Latin name for the plant that is native to that part of the Mediterranean. And it's a member of the honeysuckle family, Caprifoliaceae. There are about 150 species in the genus, and many of them are fragrant, but none have the aroma of this carlesii. If you have room in your garden for only one spring flowering shrub, this should probably be it. With the added attraction of a nice fall color, Viburnum carlesii Aurora is a great choice.